You can access the Documents application in one of two ways. If using a different application, select Documents in the top left drop-down menu, or navigate to your dashboard, and on your My Organizations page, select Documents from the drop-down menu for the plan you want to view. In Documents, create a category by selecting the New Category button. Once a category is created, documents can be uploaded or linked using the Add Link or Upload Attachment buttons. On the Add Link page, select the correct category, name the link, and enter the URL. Select Save to add the link. On the Upload Attachment page, select the correct category, then select Choose File, and navigate to the document you want to upload from your computer. Select Upload to add the attachment. Please note that the Name for Attachment section defaults to the name of the document as it was uploaded. You can change the name so it displays differently in the software. To display documents, select the Show Documents button next to a category. You can edit or delete categories from the Documents application. And you can edit, replace, or delete attachments from the Documents application.